What is up, you guys? I am back, and we're mobbing at Nigel's. It's this little mob. I got Ozzy and the black BRZ behind me, and I got Luca and the red 86 in front of me. So we're outside, straight mobbing. So last night we did have this huge car meet for forever, like the little car crew that I'm in, you feel me? And Luca, for some reason, in the red 86, he got a flat. He got a flat tire at the meet last night. We don't know how, but his tire's flat, so we're taking a bunch of back roads right now. So, no, I'm just playing, but like we're taking a bunch of back roads right now because just in case this man needs to fix up his tire. But we're on our way to Shadow Designs. We're on the way to Nigel's shop to go fix that. I need an oil change. And then Ozzy in the black 86 behind me is, I don't know. I'll just do a little touch-ups, I think. But yeah, that's what we outside. Yo, Nigel pulled up in the van. Oh my God. Oh, that's so funny. Because I don't know if y'all knew. Cause Nigel, he has a BRZ too, but he recently blew his engine, so man's trying to figure out a new plan for that. So he's been driving other cars recently, like his parents' cars and whatever car you can find right now that's like around his house. And he pulled up in the truck. Well, I thought he was already at the shop, so that's even funnier that I was not expecting him to pull up right behind us like that. That's hilarious. But we here. Do you understand? We only put the finest of oils in Stormy.
They literally just liquid gold.
Honestly, they told me that. I wouldn't have known unless they told me though. So, shout out Shadow Designs, because I had no idea what oil to put in this shit. That liquid Molly. Do you understand? This looks sounds terrifying. She's about to be rolling. Oh, we're about to have fucking Stormy rolling after this. You feel me? You feel me?
Of course.
We have her rolling. Like, you get it? You get it?
Do I get it?
Come on. So last time I put oil in the car, I used like Toyota's oil. So this is my first time actually putting in liquid Molly in Stormy. So we want Stormy to be running at optimal performance at all costs. So we got the liquid Molly. So we actually went with thicker oil because we about to get tuned. Wait, am I gonna have to get thicker oil after this? Oh, okay. So since I'm about to get tuned, we're going with thicker oil, and we want Stormy to run at optimal at all costs.
Optimal performance.
Exactly. I used what the fuck? But last time I had to add oil into Stormy, I used Toyota's like GR like oil. Like I copped it straight from Toyota. I don't know what 5W the fuck it was. I don't know shit. But like I don't know what it was, but we're going to figure this time. And the car was last time literally begging me for oil. So I literally had to go like straight to Toyota and pick up 4 quarts of oil because Stormy was being the thirsty hoe. Gas was not even enough for her. She needed fucking oil for some reason. Literally consuming 4 quarts.
Bitches, bro.
Straight bitches.
Always wanting more.
These blonde bitches, like, what's up with them, right?
Blonde? You like blondes now?
I don't discriminate.
So, like watery. That's what I'm saying. What the fuck?
Bro, she was begging me.
It's because it's hot.
She was also begging me for that oil change, bro. I literally had a fucking...
Water used to be like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's a water fountain.
You heard that, bro?
Yeah.
That's a constant stream. You see that? Look at her. You
See? You see?
She's splashy, bro.
Oh shit.
No, stop.
You dirty bitch. Oh my God. Nigel.
You're making me nervous.
That's incredible. I got that on 4K, my boy.
Yo, don't.
Nah, that's 4K.
Nah, chill.
That's character.
Again? Stop!
Chill. I got you fucking locked in. Fucked. Shadow Designs. No, I'm just Oil's back in Stormy. We're about to go get some grub. Man's being a menace. Hold up. Can you hear him? Pull up on me, Ozzy. Come on. Man's literally deafening at me right now, bruh. I was about to say, bro, you're so polite. Me and Nazi went straight in. You're over here fucking waiting for Luca.
Yeah, I was trying to, but I can't do it anymore.
How's your Hueys? How's your Hueys? Oh, that's an answer for itself. That's an answer for itself. How's your Hueys? How's your Hueys? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. All right then. All right then. $23? Oh my God, bro! Look at this thing. Got the carbon wheels and everything. This thing's a tank. Man's had this Z01 before, sold it for the vet. Sent it to his boy and got the vet. Crazy. Nah, we got a crazy lineup. We got Stormy, we got the vet, the Z01. We got another manual Supra. My boy Ben. That's crazy. No, it's crazy because Ben and I got our Supras around the same time.
Yeah, I remember.
It was actually wild. And I was like, bro, like, we have to link up. And we've linked up a couple times before, but now we're outside for real.
Yeah.
Nah, it's about to be lit.
700 wheels.
700 to the wheel? Oh, I saw him the other day. I was literally cruising the other day with this dude. Yeah. That's crazy. Him, an RS3, and and we just happened to link up randomly. That was so funny.
Yeah, that's funny.
Oh.
Yeah, he's really quick.
Dude, I was like, I can keep up with the RS3. I was like, I can keep up with the, it was an old Ferrari. I was like, I can probably keep up with the old Ferrari, but I was like, that? I was like, I'm
those
good.
things even stock, dude. Like that.
Dude, that's what I was thinking. I was like, this thing's a flipping, that's crazy, bro. What are the chances of me seeing this dude again? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? Bro, tell me what is going on. We got Supra attack on us. M240i over there, or M2. Almost got one of those, no cap. Craziest lineup. There's the boys. Dude, I'm over here like walking in circles trying to find you guys. What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all boys? You guys chilling? What's up, Kevin? Hey, what's up, y'all? What you guys up to? What's up, my boy? You guys chilling? I'm not gonna lie, all the boys make me mad. Everyone's bagged. Everyone's bagged. Everyone's bagged. Yachty's bagged. Ozzy's bagged. Kev's about to be bagged.
Today.
Matia's back. Oh, today. That's right. Kev, today we're going bags. Today we're going bags. Today's the day. I was just telling him, I'm like, everyone's on bags. Besides, the Miata's getting its way there. All right, it's almost done. It's almost done. He's wide body and everything. Yo! SVJ is better. Talk to me. Talk to me. Just left the meet. Now we're out here at Kevin's, installing some bags on Kevin's car. We're out here. We outside. That boy Kevin getting some bags installed. You know how it is. Like I said, bro, everybody in the crew damn near bagged. Ozzy, Yachty, now Kevin got bags. Fucking damn near everyone, bro. So I'm finally on my way back home. I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here. I got hella homework to do. I'm about to go home and finish a shit ton of homework. But yeah, that was the weekend. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.